I give me egg, me flour, me sugar, me eat.
He's in the cake. I write in a song like say, he's in the cake, he's in the cake. Boy, when that cake done, it can blow up. Go right ahead, man. Make an East cake. Go ahead.
The cake makes me the cake fun.
Alright. Bake. Let me hear how we're going to put the ingredients together. Come on. Let's see how we blend the ingredients.
I go. I like this to heat the oven. This one for eat up. Butter me, cake pan.
Keep it going. Let's go, man. Keep it going. People ready? Are you ready to eat piece of cake, right? If people are ready to eat piece of cake, come on, man. Bake the cake. Let's go.
Mix up the ingredients. Put in the cake mix. The egg. The butter.
Bake.
Oh, that cake was scratch. We don't want to scratch it today.
Cake ain't ready yet. That cake we gonna bring. That cake gonna be ready for next year. Competitor number 2, come forward. You come forward. Don't worry. You're baking us a nice sweet bread. Nice sweet bread, man. People still like sweet bread for Christmas. Let's go quickly.
Flour is you get your raisins and anything if you're going to put it in the sweet bread, and sugar, butter, lard, and then after you heat up the oven, you grease your pan, and then after you roll up your bread, put it in the pan and then put it in the oven for like 30 minutes or so. Allow it for rise, and then after you take it out when it's finished.
That sound like a sweet bread? Boy, that sound like a sour bread, boy. Come, competitor number 3, a digital phone up for grabs. You gonna bake us a nice black cake, one. Come on. This is Christmas time. Bake us a nice black cake. If you can't bake, just shake, man. Come on.
Black cake. Alright. You get your flour, your butter, your egg, you get salt, sugar. So you mix all the dry ingredients together first, and then you add the wet ingredients, and you fruits. You add fruits as well. With your little strong one black wine, you mix all that together, and then add it in with the dry stuff and all of that, and then you put it to bake. After you finish baking, you take it out, then you add more rum, whatever alcohol you use, and you put it to soak. You can leave it about 5 days if you want it strong, and then you enjoy your black cake.
If you can bake, just shake. And that cake, they like sound like gonna make you shake, boy. That sound like gonna make you shake. Alright, so who is the winner of the digital phone this morning? Is it competitor number 1? This cake can be ready for next year 9 mornings, don't worry. What about this sweet bread lady? Oh, this sour bread lady. Is it the black cake man? Alright, so the man with the black cake wins himself a phone compliments Digicel this morning. And the others get gifts also. We got gifts to the others? Oh, no gifts to the others.